legendary.
One more motherfucking time, bro. I done gave you too many chances. Amen. It ain't no joke. You one more time. And you do it.
Lay a
I done
T.
gave you too many chances. You one more time.
Lay low.
One more motherfucking time.
Bust a nigga head, bust his head to the white meat. Bust a nigga head, bust his head to the white meat. Bust a nigga head, bust his head to the white meat. Bust a nigga head, bust his head to the white meat. Bust a nigga head, bust his head to the white meat. I'm player T, I don't give a fuck if you don't like me. I'm coming through like never before. Put me in coach, I'm ready to go. Move that yayo, nigga that blow. I'm trying to get bread out time for the dough, nigga. Shout out my brand. I'm busting your head, I'm taking it there. I'm cocking the land. Chopping with the shell catcher, we never play fair.
Y'all had an idle on it. Y'all see it drop. No check engine light though for some reason. It pops on and off. Fuel pump. Massive airflow sensor. Right there. And the IAC. Idle air control valve. Fuel pump. Massive airflow sensor. IAC. Yep, so I undid the lines. As y'all can see now, I got a whole bunch of gas that I gotta suck up and observe. Those two lines. Still gotta respice this connector onto this one. It's color coordinated except for the black with the white stripe. So I'm gonna have to figure out which one is D, which black wire that is, and which one is D. If it's with this, and you can see it's got like little spice marks like. Checking to see if it ever worked. Original sending unit though. Now I gotta suck up all this gas. It came out. Then I could take the ring off. Hope nothing fall in there. And then go from there. Pull that out and put the new one in. Alright, that's the old fuel pump. The original 97 AC Delco one. I know by the socket, the plug in. The new one is in. I'm still hitting the lock ring in. I gotta connect both the connectors, the lines. And then I gotta plug in the connection. Alright, y'all, new fuel pump in, as y'all can see. She still dies. I don't know, with me running it with the old fuel filter, putting a new fuel filter in, running it with the old pump, if I clogged it up. But she'll drive, then you come to a stop, and then she just stalls. Put her crank right back up. Almost like if she's having a fuel issue. So, put the pump in, pump running. I'm just trying to figure out my issue with the car. Why is it still stalling? See, the vacuum, fuel delivery, some which I don't understand because I got new fuel injectors. I got new fuel pressure regulator. I got purge valve. I need one more purge valve. Maybe that's it. I checked all my hoses as far as I believe. I changed my PVC valve. All that. I'm just, man, right now I'm just in a hot spot. So what I'm gonna do is cover this bad boy back up, put the door back on it, tighten up everything, and go from there. At this point, that's all I can do. So I'm gonna close the door, lay the carpet back on it, and go from there. But yeah, y'all, she back on. Finna tighten the door up, these bolts right here. And that's that with the fuel pump. I got an old fuel filter, man. This thing is original. So even if that wasn't an issue like I thought it was, this thing was still running, man. 28 years, almost 30 years, and still going. But it was definitely time for a change on it. Alright, this is the old air temperature charge sensor right here that goes into this. This is the old one, that's the new one that's in there already. Okay, and this is the part number 2, right? Right here, SU-176, at AutoZone. And I also switched out the coolant temperature sensor. This is the old one right here. This is the old temperature cooler sensor. As y'all can see that part chipped off, 3-prong. I ordered this one off a line, the new one that's in there. It's a 3-prong cooling air temperature switch. All right, y'all. So I ordered 2 new key fobs online, and I'm gonna tell y'all how to program them through your port. Excuse me, I gotta move this up. So when I say your OBD port, which is that, all right, you take a paper clip, just like this, bend it like that, pin 4, pin 8. Once you stick that in there, let me move this again so y'all can see. Once you stick one side in pin 4, like right there, and then the last one at the bottom, you have it in there like that. Once you turn the ignition on, you'll see the locks pairing themselves for program mode. So once you do that, you'll hold unlock and lock at the same time, and then it'll program key fob. Then you take the other key fob and do the same thing. Yeah, I ordered these online, 2 of them with the batteries for like 14, 15 bucks. And look, so this is what we got. We got the lock, then we got unlock. I even got my trunk working. Let's show y'all the trunk. I'm gonna show y'all the trunk. Look at it. Just like that. So yeah, it came with 2 new key fobs. Now hey, you can use used key fobs as well. Same thing, as long as they got the unlock, lock, trunk button, and panic button, the alarm button. So I just got them for a deal, $15. I tried old ones at first, but like I say, inside where the battery go, that little part that holds the battery in it, it likes to break, so it's got to be soldered. So yeah, I got the key fobs working, 2 extra ones, and there it is. Just a little game for y'all. Like I say, you take these paper clips right here. Matter of fact, I got the one I use. Bend it like that. 4 and 8 is the bottom pin of the OBD sensor. And I say the OBD sensor is this thing what you scan your motor with at the bottom. So you got the top line and then you got the bottom line. So you do the 4 pin all the way to the last pin, which will be the 8. And you'll see the car unlock and lock itself. It's ready to be programmed. Got these key fobs. You hold lock and unlock at the same time and it'll do itself. Then once you finish with the first key fob, do the second key fob the same way. So I can use both of these key fobs.